everyone, welcome to episode 5 of the News November series. HPCL announced its results for Q2 2021 and the share buyback as well. Please subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance and don't forget to press the bell icon. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, that is HPCL, is an Indian public sector oil and gas company founded in 1974. Competitive advantages. HPCL expanded its total retail outlet network to 17,171 as of September 2020. HPCL also commissioned 37 new LPG distributorships during the quarter, taking the total LPG distributorships to 6153 as of September 2020. HPCL announced its results for September Q2 2020. Now let's look at the highlights of the results. HPCL net profit doubled with Rs 2477 crore in the quarter ended September 2020 from Rs 1052 crore in the same quarter last year. However, the total income decreased to Rs 62,419 crore as compared to Rs 66,854 crore in the September 2019. HPCL announced share buyback on November 4, 2020. Let's look at the highlights of the share buyback. Number of shares for buyback is 10 crore. HPCL buyback record date is November 21, 2020. Offered amount is Rs 2500 crore. If we look at the current market price as on 4th November, it was Rs 190. The buyback price is at premium of 33% to HPCL stocks closing price on 4th November. Now let's look at the share price of HPCL. Current market price is around Rs 204. HPCL price touched a low of Rs 167 in Corona times and even saw a high of Rs 238 in July 2020. HPCL's return on equity is 8.51%, which is a better share as compared to its peers, which have a return on equity of just 5%. And with this upcoming buyback, it is giving good shareholder return as well. For a detailed concept on buyback, please have a look at my video, Buyback of Shares. For traders and long-term investors, this is a good stock, giving good return in long-term and in intraday movements. And its significant improvement in the profitability in spite of challenges including lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic was a result of strategic planning in refinery and marketing operation. I hope you got a quick review of the HPCL and its results and its upcoming buyback. Do like the video, share and subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance, and don't forget to press the bell icon.